Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find hidden chat on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Having control over what chats appear on your chat page on Snapchat is a handy tool that everyone should learn how to use. Luckily, knowing how to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat is a simple process. On my previous video, I've shown you how to hide chat on Snapchat without delete the conversation. But now what if you want to find it, the hidden chat? It's very simple. First of all, of course, I have to open our Snapchat and you can go to chat feed. Now I will show you again how to hide the chat without delete the conversation. So you can choose on the conversation that you want to hide, tap and hold, select on chat and notification settings, and you can select on clear from feed. So this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Now, how to find the hidden message? It's very simple. You can just search for the username like this one, this. So on my previous video, I just cleared this from the feed, but the chat doesn't appear because I haven't sent any chat to that account. And also, you can just, if you want to find the hidden chat, you can just search on their username in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find hidden chat on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.